Pricing in ArtiCAD has been expanded. ArtiCAD now includes 3 broad ways to generate quotations. First, ArtiQuote. Free of charge and simple to use, ArtiQuote allows you to easily generate detailed quotations, invoices and reports based upon your ArtiCAD design. Report options include the profitability of each project and orders for your suppliers. Setting up and configuring your own pricing data is easy, and you can import pricing data from spreadsheets. The Reports feature lets you build and customize report templates that can be saved as HTML or as Microsoft Word documents for further editing if desired. ArtiQuote comes with full user instructions, including short videos to explain the features and how to get started. Furthermore, ArtiQuote users have the option to use Smart's KBB Connect pricing data, which comprises the latest data from leading kitchen, bedroom, bathroom and appliance suppliers, including distributor pricing. ArtiQuote Plus requires a minimal monthly subscription cost due to the comprehensive catalogue maintenance involved. The second pricing method available in ArtiCAD uses Smart Systems. ArtiCAD acquired the Smart Systems business in December 2016, and since then both parties have been working on closer integration to make it ever easier for designers to achieve seamless, accurate pricing, reporting and business management. This allows you to deliver exceptional and comprehensive design presentations and to minimize errors and manage your business more efficiently. KBB Connect is a comprehensive online quotation, ordering and project management solution. It benefits from a seamless integrated connection with your ArtiCAD system and delivers more extensive functionality than ArtiQuote Plus. Features include a customer relationship management system, pricing catalogues from leading KBB suppliers, ordering and business management, and easy pricing configuration. We can provide an online demonstration of ArtiCAD working seamlessly with KBB Connect so that you can assess if it is the right system for your business. KBB Smart is a powerful custom pricing and business management solution highly suited to manufacturing specialists and larger organisations. ArtiCAD is fully integrated with KBB Smart, providing users with a seamless and unparalleled experience. KBB Smart is tailored to your explicit business needs. Solutions are therefore individually priced. Lastly, you can use other pricing software. ArtiCAD continues to support users of EQ, the quotation, ordering and business management software, and plans to invest in further enhancement of the interface between ArtiCAD's design software and EQ to give mutual customers the best possible user experience. ArtiCAD operates open architecture, making it easier for us to integrate with your choice of pricing and business management system, so your options are not limited to the solutions we have mentioned here. We also continue to develop custom pricing and business management solutions for our corporate, commercial and supplier partner clients. To summarise, first, you can use ArtiQuote directly in ArtiCAD to produce quotations and other reports with the option of upgrading to ArtiQuote Plus to use smart pricing data. Secondly, you can conveniently use Smart Systems solutions, KBB Connect or KBB Smart. Thirdly, you can use your own choice of pricing software, such as EQ.